ingredients for Maja Blanca. We have your coconut milk, evaporated milk, condensed milk, corn kernels, cream corn, brown sugar guys, cornstarch, and mixed nuts na tinurog ko. Ayan. This is the evaporated milk. And then, minix ko na dito yung 1 cup na cornstarch. 2 cups of coconut milk to guys. And then, ilalagay ko itong cream corn. Ubusin natin itong 1 can. Ayan. And then, ihalo lang natin. And then, sa mixture na to, ilalagay ko yung 1/2 cup na condensed milk. I-add na natin itong 1/2 cup na brown sugar and then pag-i-mix lang natin. So, after natin ma-mix itong coconut milk, cream corn, condensed milk, and brown sugar, saka pa lang natin guys, i-on yung ating stove, medium heat lang. Antayin lang natin na kumulo ng konti bago natin i-add yung evap and cornstarch mixture. And then, imimix ko na tong evap and cornstarch mixture dito sa ating coconut milk mixture. And then, stir lang natin to guys. And then, after a few minutes, ilalagay na natin yung ating corn kernels. Ayan, lumalapot na siya. Dapat constant lang guys yung paghalo. Parang sinukat kasi sumakto siya guys sa lalagyan ko. Sa taas guys, i-even out lang natin. Ayan. And then, yung ilalagay ko sa top is mixed nuts. Pwede rin guys, grated cheese, latte. Kalagay na tayo ng mixed nuts sa top. There guys, ready na to refrigerate yung ating special Maja Blanca. Nagtabi ako guys ng extra na mixed nuts para sa mga gusto may additional na toppings sa kanilang mga plate.